Thinking about buying your dream used car? Hold up. Some of the biggest nightmares on the road come dressed in shiny paint and leather seats. Today, we're diving into Consumer Reports' blacklist to uncover the worst disasters on four wheels. Cars so unreliable, even dealerships avoid saying their names out loud. Let's get started. Number 15. Tesla Model S. Did you know a Tesla Model S owner in Finland chose to blow up his used car rather than pay for an estimated $22,000 battery replacement? But expensive battery nightmares are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to used Tesla Model S headaches, whose value depreciates 71% after 5 years and have a 5-year resale value of $26,000. But the nightmare doesn't stop there. It gets exponentially worse. The air suspension? It can collapse out of nowhere. Some Model S units suffer front drive failure thanks to water sneaking in and frying the system. Early Model S units from 2012 to 2018 had faulty chips that kill vital controls, costing up to $1,500. Plus, Model S is notorious for its poor build quality issues that include frozen door handles, panel gaps, and misaligned body parts. Coming up is a vehicle you wouldn't expect to see on this list. Number 14. Volvo XC60. Do you remember when Volvo trucks did the viral hamster stunt in 2013? In the marketing campaign, a hamster can be seen steering a Volvo FMX construction truck up a mountain road. Fast forward a decade later, and you have owners of 2023 Volvo XC60 complaining about experiencing difficulty in turning the steering wheel, which can feel stiff or resistant to movement. You drop $30,000 to $35,000 on a used luxury SUV expecting peace of mind, especially from Volvo. Instead, the XC60 delivers a parade of problems: glitchy electronics, freezing screens, battery drain, and driver assist failures. It gets worse with coolant leaks, faulty oil pumps, and dead interior features like heated seats. Even build quality disappoints, with rattling sunroofs, misaligned panels, and seatbelt issues prompting multiple recalls. And if that's not all, a Volvo XC60 is expected to cost around $13,000 in maintenance and repairs over its first 10 years on the road, significantly higher than other luxury SUV models. If you're considering a used XC60, take a hard look at owners' feedback first, as many complain about getting a lemon right off the lot. Number 13. Jeep Wrangler. Imagine pulling into your garage only to find your Jeep Wrangler leaking fluids again. This isn't random bad luck. It's pretty common for many Wrangler owners. For a vehicle sold as an off-road beast, the Wrangler hides a long list of reliability nightmares. It starts with the poor build quality issues with common problems including rust, water leaks, hinge corrosion, paint bubbling, and soft top issues. And count on premature wear while you're at it. Then come the bigger problems: transfer case seals that fail and leak, rust creeping across the undercarriage, and electronics that act possessed. And you can expect major faults related to the turbocharger, cylinder heads, timing chain, and transmission. Routine maintenance won't save you either, which can cost around $11,650 during the first 10 years of ownership. In fact, it currently has a 3.5 out of 5 rating on RepairPal, ranking second to last among compact SUVs. Adventure ready? More like repair ready. Coming up next, a used SUV so notoriously bad, it's basically a permanent resident on every do not buy list. Number 12. Jeep Cherokee. Ever wonder why some Jeep dealerships keep extended warranty salespeople on speed dial? It's because of vehicles like Wrangler and Cherokee. This discontinued model is easily one of the least reliable SUVs out there. Engines constantly trigger check engine lights, often tied to failing fuel injectors or valve timing issues. And that fancy air suspension meant to deliver a smooth ride has now become notorious for springing leaks, turning comfort into a costly repair bill. In fact, the Cherokee's average repair and maintenance costs are $7,370 more than the industry average for the class. The Pentastar V6 engine adds its own set of headaches: excessive oil consumption that makes maintenance more frequent than it should be. Add in intermittent throttle control issues that make acceleration unpredictable, and you've got a used vehicle costing an average of $21,000 that's anything but reliable. Number 11. Tesla Model X. You know that friend who looks amazing on Instagram but is absolutely chaotic in real life? That's the Tesla Model X in car form. Let's start with those flashy falcon wing doors. Cool in theory, a nightmare in practice. They're known for glitching, sometimes refusing to open, close, or doing both at the worst possible moments. And it seems like Tesla's quality control department apparently took inspiration from a coin flip. Some Model X owners get lucky, others get subscription plans to their local service center. The 2018 and 2022 models are particularly notorious. You see, underneath the futuristic shell lies a suspension system some say feels like it's falling apart, literally. Unexplained noises, premature wear, and eye-watering repair bills are all too common. Then there is the big factor of battery deterioration and reduced range. Many owners of older Model X models report a noticeable decline in both range and overall performance over time. This becomes especially frustrating when the vehicle falls short of its originally advertised range, up to 371 miles, which becomes increasingly difficult to achieve. And let's not forget that the Model X depreciates by 63% after 5 years, significantly reducing its resale value from the original $86,700 price tag. Number 10. Volkswagen Jetta. The Volkswagen Jetta from 2018 to 2024 might look like a smart buy, sleek design, solid features, and that German engineering appeal. But dig a little deeper, and things unravel fast. Under the hood, a ticking time bomb. The 1.4-liter and 1.5-liter turbo engines are infamous for chugging oil like a worn-out lawnmower. Timing chain tensioners fail early, risking full engine breakdowns before 100,000 miles. And what about transmission? Well, T8 speed automatic and DSG dual-clutch options are plagued by rough shifting, hesitation, and cold weather shuddering. The ride doesn't hold up either, thanks to low-grade suspension parts and brakes that wear out far too quickly. It's clear why this vehicle struggles in long-term ownership. But here's something that separates the Jetta from ordinary unreliable cars. Class action lawsuits. Yes, actual legal action over transmission problems and coolant system defects. When a car's problems become so widespread that lawyers smell opportunity, it is best to steer clear of it. Number 9. Volkswagen Taos. Imagine buying a brand new SUV, only for it to stall at a red light during your morning commute. That's the reality some 2022 Volkswagen Taos owners have faced, just months after driving off the lot. If you're planning on buying a Taos, steer clear of the 2022 model year, as it has raised some serious red flags. The turbocharged engine and 8-speed DSG transmission are prone to rough shifting, limp mode breakdowns, and sudden engine stalls, especially at idle. It doesn't stop there. The 2022 Volkswagen Taos has been plagued by brake judder, malfunctioning sensors, and a range of electrical issues. Even more alarming are reports of engine misfires in vehicles with barely any miles on them. Some units have required early replacement of critical components like fuel injectors and wiring harnesses within just months of purchase. Number 8. Audi A6. As per Consumer Reports, buying a used 2019 Audi A6 in particular can be a big mistake. At the heart of the issues with the A6 lies the engine. The 3.0T engine reveals its problems earlier than expected. It burns through oil at an alarming rate, while timing chain tensioners fail well before the 60,000-mile mark. For a luxury car, these aren't minor inconveniences. They're expensive repairs, often costing around $3,000 minimum. Then, the fuel system joins the chaos. High-pressure fuel pump failures have been known to hit without warning, leaving drivers stranded at the worst possible times. But it doesn't stop there. Critical components like the water pump and generator have also been reported to fail well before reaching 50,000 miles. The infotainment system deserves special recognition for all the wrong reasons. It freezes and reboots more often than a Windows 95 computer, turning your luxury driving experience into a tech support nightmare. On top of that, expect fading paint, peeling surfaces, rattling interiors, and even early signs of rust. The used cars we've covered so far are costly mistakes you can survive, but the next vehicles on our list are so problematic that even massive dealer discounts can't make them worth buying. Number 7. Audi Q8 e-tron. Despite the premium badge, Audi's flagship EV has been plagued by serious dependability issues. The charging system failures hit owners where it hurts most. Vehicles randomly lock into reduced charging mode or throw phantom malfunctions that leave you questioning whether the problem is real or just another glitch. But the electrical disasters don't stop there. The high-voltage system requires emergency reprogramming just to restore basic regenerative braking. Imagine losing a fundamental safety feature without warning. Technology, a key selling point, is another weak link. Center screens freeze, climate controls stop responding, the infotainment system reboots mid-drive. Then there are physical flaws, misaligned panels, peeling trim, and cracked weather stripping, all in a vehicle marketed as luxury. Oh, and you might have guessed it by now, you'll get range anxiety for sure. You see, the 2023 e-tron just offers 226 miles per charge. Even if you opt for the 2024 model, it offers 285 miles per charge. For the hefty price tag that could go from $40,000 to $60,000 for a used e-tron, it is just not worth it. With poor owner satisfaction, frustrating reliability, and rapidly declining sales, the Q8 e-tron is already being discontinued. Number 6. BMW iX. Hey, we get it. It's easy to be drawn in by the sleek design, futuristic tech, and luxury promise of the BMW iX. But behind the badge lies one of the most troubled electric SUVs on the used market today. Consumer Reports has explicitly warned against buying the 2022 and 2023 models, and the reasons are hard to ignore. Start with the recalls, 19 across both years. Critical failures include high-voltage battery faults that can lead to fire risk, sudden unintended acceleration from cruise control glitches, and airbag systems that may fail during a crash. One recall even addresses potential rollaway due to a faulty gear weld. The real horror starts once you're behind the wheel. Sudden power loss, rapid battery degradation, and forward collision systems that glitch in traffic turn every drive into a gamble. And the financial hit? Brutal. BMW iX depreciates 55% after 5 years and has a 5-year resale value of $47,667. If you don't like watching your money disappear, stay far away from this one. Number 5. Nissan Sentra. Thinking about picking up a used Nissan Sentra? You may want to hit the brakes. While the Sentra remains Nissan's last surviving sedan, slated for a 2026 refresh with possible hybrid power, the 2019 to 2024 models come with baggage that's hard to overlook. One word defines most complaints: transmission. Nissan's infamous CVT, continuously variable transmission, from jerky acceleration to outright failure. Drivers often report shuddering at low speeds and CVT belt wear well before 60,000 miles. Repairs are expensive and too common, but the problems don't stop there. Many 2019 to 2020 Sentras have suffered from cylinder deactivation issues, triggering persistent check engine lights and performance drops. In colder climates, brake rods are prone to rusting and snapping. Add to that radiator leaks, dashboard cluster malfunctions, and airbag inflator recalls, and you've got a vehicle that spends more time at the dealership than it should. Number 4. Hyundai Kona. Compact, stylish, fuel-efficient. The Hyundai Kona seems like the ideal city crossover, but peel back the sleek design and LED light, and what you'll find underneath is a years-long pattern of engine failures, electrical chaos, and recalls that paint a very different picture. Start with the 2018 model. It was Hyundai's flashy debut, and buyers were excited, but not for long. The 2.0-liter new MPI engine, plagued by piston ring defects. Many failed before 80,000 miles, some even stalled at highway speeds. Burning oil, engine knocking, and sudden shutdowns were all too common. If that wasn't enough, electrical systems misfired too. Infotainment screens froze, blind spot monitors blinked out, and airbags failed to deploy when they were needed most. The 2019 to 2021 Konas kept the same flawed engine, with recalls coming too late for many. Problems only grew: brake failures, engine issues, and electrical bugs. The Kona Electric fared no better, with battery fires prompting full-pack replacements. And with 43% depreciation in 5 years, its $18,750 resale value hits hard for a gas SUV. Before we reveal the final 3, make sure to leave a like and share your thoughts on the worst used car we've mentioned so far. Number 3. Chevrolet Blazer. You're sitting at a green light. You press the gas. Nothing. The engine revs, the RPMs rise, but your 2022 Chevy Blazer just sits there like it's thinking about it. Welcome to owning a 2019 to 2024 model year's Blazer, a mid-size SUV that looks aggressive on the outside but melts under pressure. Why? Because that flashy 9-speed automatic is a ticking time bomb. It's known for harsh gear shifts, sudden lockups in drive, and clutches that fail far too soon. These problems aren't just in older models, they persist all the way through 2024. And the worst part? General Motors knew about it. Internal repair bulletins were issued, but dealerships can't keep up with the wave of transmission trouble rolling through their bays. And the engine? More hesitation than power. Step on it, and you might get acceleration, or a sputtering delay that feels like your SUV is buffering in real life. Then there's the safety stuff. Fuel software flaws, several braking system recalls. For instance, 2019 Chevrolet Blazer models were recalled due to a potential decrease in power brake assist over time, potentially leading to longer stopping distances. Number 2. Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. The early Pacifica hybrids were Chrysler's bold leap into electrified family vans, but what they delivered became a crash course in recalls, breakdowns, and second thoughts. Take the 2017 model as an example, 15 recalls. From engine cooling failures to hybrid system fires and steering issues, it was chaos under the hood. The 2018 model didn't fare any better. Same problems like rough shifting, battery drain, and engine stalling or power loss. Think hybrids save money? Not this one. The 2017 to 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid suffers from failing batteries, slipping transmissions, and costly electrical issues, racking up $11,521 in 10-year repair and maintenance costs, which is higher than the industry average for popular minivan models by $2,300. Even basics like AC and power steering can fail unexpectedly. And with a $50,000 plus price tag and 52.2% depreciation in 5 years, it loses value fast, making it one of the worst bets among hybrids. Number 1. Land Rover Range Rover Sport. There's a reason even hardcore car lovers joke that you should only buy a used Range Rover if you enjoy setting your money on fire and watching it burn in real time. The 2017 to 2022 model years, in particular, are plagued with so many reliability landmines, you'd swear the thing was built to self-destruct. Start with the electrical system, glitchy screens, buggy gauges, and warning lights that seem to appear at random. Even basic features like keyless entry and backup cameras have a habit of cutting out. Add in air suspension failures that can leave the SUV sagging overnight, but it doesn't stop there. Drivetrain issues are common. Think jerky shifts, delayed gear changes, and occasional engine misfires. Even the powerful 5.0-liter supercharged V8 isn't immune, with known problems like timing chain wear and coolant leaks that can lead to repairs costing thousands. Combine all that with sky-high maintenance costs of around $19,500 during the first 10 years and limited post-warranty support, and you're essentially signing up for a luxury money pit. Moreover, a Land Rover Range Rover Sport will depreciate 64% after 5 years and have a 5-year resale value of $52,250. To make matters worse, there's a 51.26% chance it will require a major repair during that time. We hope you enjoyed this video. Tap the screen for more content like this. See you in the next one.